This lesson covers switch statement. Idea is when you refer to given value based on a variable or expressions, you may like to do different actions. In that case, you can use a switch statement or nested if-else statements. Here I will demonstrate switch statements. Let me draw simple flowcharts about switch statement. So based on given value of a variable or expressions, we start flowcharts. Then we may have an input value, then multiple conditions, each represent case. If it's true, we do certain actions, statement. Then we may have another statement called break. It will break out of the conditional statement. If we have other conditions, we may take certain actions, then break out of conditional statement. So you may have multiple cases, then at the end you may have a default statement, take actions, then you can terminate the condition out of it, which is a switch statement. Then you print it out, output, then terminate your program. So we'll say start or begin. That will be end. Here I will say status. Maybe I will clarify integer value. Status 0, that's the initial value. If status is equal to 0, for example, I will print it out Monday, or I can assign value Monday to string variable. Then we need to break it out of this conditional statement. So we use a break statement. That's the keywords. Out of switch statement, if its value is 0, it will print it out, ideally, message called Monday. If status equal to 1, we may print the next day, for example, Tuesday. Then we break out of that switch case statement. If it's 1, status is 1, assign value Tuesday, break it out, and then we say here output Tuesday. Very similar idea of if-else statement, multiple if-else statement or nested if-else statement. And the last one here we call it as a default. then we will take default actions. We usually consider this one as embed inputs. For example, if someone type number 10, we may terminate the program. And then default actions may include break statement. Okay, let's create a new Java project to demonstrate switch statement. Okay, let me put some comments here. Switch statements. I'm going to write a switch statement display Sunday to Saturday. If it's 0, it's going to be Sunday. Number 1 means Monday, number 2 means Tuesday, and so on until Saturday, accordingly. Okay, here switches statement. Let me start with the integer day equal to 0. Switch statement I need 6 cases, then 1 default statement. Each case represents the value 0 to 6. So message is here, ask Monday. If user type 0, Monday, break out of a condition. I may repeat 6 times to cover Sunday to Saturday. Okay, that's Sunday. Sorry, I'll start with the Sunday. Number 1 means Monday, 2 Tuesday. Again, continue, 3 Wednesday. 4 Thursday. 5 Friday. 6 Saturday. Don't forget, each case statement you need a break statement. So Monday belongs to case statement 1. Tuesday, that's Thursday. Sorry. Friday belongs to 5. Okay, Saturday belongs to number 6. We need a default statement. Message, I will say invalid input. Normally we need to have a break statement. So here, okay, I'm going to use a scanner input so that I can choose the value by myself. So they equal to input next integer. Okay, here will be output. So let me print the message. If user choose number 1, we print the Monday. Let me just rebuild the project. Then run this project. So if I type number 1, print Monday, that's correct. Goes to case number 1, print as assign the value to Monday and break out of a switch statement, then print message which is Monday. Let me run it again. So if I type number 10, it doesn't match with any other case statement here. So it will go to default and then save message to invalid input, break out of switch statement, and then print it as an invalid input. Let's look at what if Monday is public holiday and then Tuesday is also public holiday. Do we really need to print that message? Or if you look at case number 1 and 2, it may end up with the exactly same result. This case, we can say case 1 and 2 end up with the same message called holiday. Then we break it up. So you can combine case 1 and 2 together. That's why sometimes it's not necessary to have a break statement all the time. Okay, that's all. Thank you.